Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make 1 gallon of kombucha. We'll cover everything from gathering your essential ingredients to the exciting bottling process. Making your own kombucha at home is a rewarding experience, allowing you to customize flavors and enjoy a fresh, bubbly drink. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the information needed to brew a successful batch of this popular fermented tea. Get ready to start your brewing journey. To begin your kombucha journey, gathering the right supplies is key. You'll need a clean 1-gallon glass jar for fermentation, along with a breathable cloth cover and a rubber band. For ingredients, make sure you have 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 8 standard black tea bags, and 2 cups of unflavored starter tea from a previous batch. Most importantly, you'll need a healthy SCOBY, which is the symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast that transforms your sweet tea. Now, let's prepare the sweet tea base for your kombucha. Start by boiling 4 cups of filtered water. Once boiling, remove from heat and steep 8 black tea bags for about 5 minutes. After steeping, remove the tea bags and stir in 1 cup of white granulated sugar until it's completely dissolved. Finally, add 12 cups of cold, filtered water to bring the total volume to 1 gallon and cool the mixture down to room temperature. This cooling step is crucial. With your sweet tea cooled, it's time for fermentation. Gently combine the cooled sweet tea, the 2 cups of starter tea, and your healthy SCOBY in the 1-gallon jar. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band. Allow it to ferment for 7 to 10 days at a temperature between 68 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Taste test periodically for your preferred tartness. Once ready, bottle your delicious kombucha, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace for carbonation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.